This lesson has you still working with variables on one side, and you're going to combine like terms or distribute before you're able to solve so that it gets it down to a two-step equation. If you look at example 1, I have 3m plus 9 plus 4m. Thinking back, the 3m and the plus 4m are like terms. Put them together to get 7m plus 9 equals 2. Armadillo. So 7m equals negative 7. Divide by 7, m equals negative 1. Example number 2. Again, you have like terms. You have a 3a and a negative 6a. That's going to give me together a negative 3a. You still also have plus 12 equals negative 9. Subtract 12 from both sides. So negative 3a equals negative 21. Divide by negative 3. You get a equals 7. In example 3, you need to distribute first. So you're going to get 5a minus 20 equals 30. Two-step equation, add the armadillo. 5a equals 50. Divide by 5, and a equals 10. Take a second, try 4, 5, and 6, and I'll be back with the answers. All right, take a look at those three. S is negative 3, a is negative 7, and x equals 2. On the next page, we start to talk about word problems that involve combining or distributing, and the first one talks about 3 consecutive integers. When we talk about consecutive integers, we're talking about numbers that are in order. For example, 4, 5, 6, 21, 22, 23. Regardless, when we don't know what our integers are, we're going to call the first one x. In every instant when we do consecutive, how do we go from one number to the next? We add 1. So this next term is going to be called x plus 1. X is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, which takes us to our next term. To get to the next term, we add 1 more, or from the beginning x, we've added 2. So the third term would be called x plus 2. So I label these number 1, number 2, and number 3. The first term is x, second is x plus 1, and the third is x plus 2. Now this problem tells us that the sum of these 3. So I have to add together these 3 numbers. And my sum is equals 375. Combine your like terms, so 3x plus 3 equals 375. Minus 3. Divide by 3. 126. And if I 124, oh my goodness, doing my math mentally here. So if my first number is 124, x plus 1 would be 125, and this one would be 126 then. So what are the 3 integers? Those are my 3 integers. And you can check it. You can add them up and you'll get 375. The next one talks about 2 consecutive even integers. So we're going to say number 1 and number 2. Again, we're summing them, but there's only 2 of them. So think about even integers. 4, 6, 22, 24. If your first one's x, how do you get to the next one? You add 2. X, add 2. So x and x plus 2. So, sum of them is 58. So 2x plus 2 equals 58 minus 2. That's my dog drinking water. Divide by 2. And x equals 28. So my first number is 28, and my next one is 30. Consecutive evens, add them up to get 58. Last example for today, Julie sold 43 packages of taffies for this year's fundraiser. This equals 1 less than 4 times the number of packages she sold last year. 1 less means we're going to do minus 1. 4 times the number she sold last year, so 4p for packages. So 43 is 1 less than 4 of what she sold last year. Add 1. Divide by 4. So she sold 11 packages last